Hello students. So today we are going to do series. Okay. So if you have a sequence say A1 till AN, okay, then series is given by the summation, that is sum, okay, A from 1 to N, okay. Or you can write A1 plus A2 plus dot 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 AN. Okay. Now there are some standard formulae for the series. Okay, you have summation n, then you can write n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, for n square it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay. For summation n cube it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Okay, so let's solve directly the exercise. Okay. Exercise 9.4. So this is the first question. So here they have given directly the series. Okay, so you have to find out an. So how, that is nth term. So how an is written here? If you take 1 as n, then 2 will be n plus 1, right? So your an is n into n plus 1. So this is n square plus n. Okay. Now series, that is sum. So you get n square plus n. You can distribute this square plus summation n. Now you have to use formula for n square, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And for n it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So you can take common here, you can write 3 into 2. So you can take common here n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 2n plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay. So cross multiplying, you will get here 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So it will be 4. Okay. You can take common here 2. So it's like this. So 2 can cancel. So you'll get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3. Okay. Next question. So again you have to write n, n plus 1 and n plus 2. Okay. Multiplying you will get n square plus n into n plus 2. So this is n cube 2n square plus n square plus 2n. Okay. So we'll get n cube plus 3n square plus 12. Okay. Now taking summation. So I'll directly write this n cube plus 3 is constant here. So 3 you can write outside. Summation n square plus 2 summation n. Okay. N cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. N square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, you can cancel, or you can keep this 2 as we can write outside. Okay, common we can take. So if you take common n into n plus 1 divided by 2, what you will get? This is 2 square. So 2 is outside. 1, 2 is outside. Other 2 is inside. So this is n into n plus 1. Plus this is 3 2 is 2 is outside. And n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 plus 2 into 2. This is outside. Okay. So multiplying this, you will get 4n. I'll write here only 2 plus 4. Okay. The whole divided by 2. So this is 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. This you can write n square plus n. So 4n plus this is 5n. Okay. This 2 you can take outside, so it will be 4 here. Okay. This you have to factorize. N square plus 5n plus 6. Okay. So 2 threes are you can take. Okay. So it will be n plus 3 and n plus 2. Okay. So this is the last thing. Now in this, if you take this 1 as n, okay, then this 3 will be what? 2n plus 1, correct? So your an becomes 2n plus 1 into n square. Okay. So multiplying it inside will be square, taking summation. N cube is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So you can take common 2. 1, 2 we can cancel here, and 1, 2 we can take outside. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So this is n square plus n plus 1. Okay. Oh, sorry, I've written n square. Okay, I wrote this is of n. This is 2n plus 1. So here it will be 2 we are taking outside, so 3 remains. n plus 1 is plus 2n plus 1 upon 3. Okay, 3 you can multiply here, so it will be 3n square plus 3n. So 3n plus 2n, 5n. So factorization, can't do factorization here. So you have to keep it as it is. Okay. Next question. You have to find the sum of the n terms of the series. Okay. So this an is 1 upon n into n plus 1. So we have to separate this denominator so that it will be easier to calculate the sum. Okay. So you can use here partial fraction, that is you have to put a upon n plus b upon n plus 1. So you have to find out a and b. So if you cross multiply this, you will get n plus 1 plus bn upon this n into n plus 1, and here also n into n plus 1 is there. So it gets cancelled. Now you have to put n equal to minus 1 so that a becomes 0 and you will get the value of b. So n equal to minus 1, you will get value of b as minus 1. Okay. When you put n equal to 0, b becomes 0 and you get a. So a is 1. Okay. So a is 1 and b is minus 1. Okay. Let's write the sum, that is summation an. So this is a1 plus a2 plus till an, right? So you can write this as 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus dot 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 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 6. Okay, here minus will come. No, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, so this terms half, minus half and plus half gets cancelled, then minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 and so on till here. So the remaining terms are 1 and this minus 1 upon n plus 1. Cross multiplying n upon n plus 1. Okay, so this is the sum. Next question. So here the series starts from 5 square till 20 square. Okay, so you have to find the sum of all these numbers. Since the last number is given, you have to find the addition of this. Okay, so what is your an? Your 5 is given our starting number. So we can take this as n plus 4 such that n is 1. Okay, starting from 1 square. So this is n square plus 8n plus 16. Okay, taking summation plus 8 summation n plus 16 summation 1. So n square is n into n plus 1 by 2, 2n plus 1 upon 6, and 8 into n plus 1 by 2, and here 16 into summation 1 means this is n. 1 is added n times. Okay, so this is so. Okay, so we have to find the sum of all these numbers. So how many numbers are there? From 5 to 20. So 16 numbers are there. Okay, so as 16 you have to find. So in place of n you have to put 16. Okay, so this comes to 2840. Okay, so this is the answer. Next question. So if you look here, this first numbers are the multiples of 3. Okay, so an is 3n into, this is 3 plus 5, right? This is 6 plus 5. So this is multiple of n is added to 5. Okay, so this is our n. So 9n square plus 15n. Summation n plus 1 to n plus 1 upon 6. N plus 1 by 2. Okay, so can take common 3 and also 2, and n into n plus 1 plus 1, 3 5s are. So this is 2n plus 6, which you can write as 2 plus 3. Okay. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 3. So you have to find sum to n terms. Okay. So our an is, now this is first term, this is second, this is third. So last term will be what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 n square, right? So we have to find summation now. Okay. So summation of n square, which is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, not n plus 2, 2n plus upon 6. Okay, so multiplying you will get square plus okay. So you have to find sum of these terms now. This is your an. Okay, this is not summation. An is summation of n square. Okay, so this can be written as 2 by 6 summation n cube, 3 by 6 summation n square, and summation. Okay. 1 by 3 n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 2 n plus 1 to 2n plus 1 on 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 6 is there. Okay, let's take common. N into n plus 1 is common, and also 6 is common. Okay, so here 3 remains and also 2, because this is 2 square. Here 6 is gone. 1 divided by 2. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have to make it 6. So 2 threes are 2 threes are. Okay. This is n square plus n plus 6n plus 3 plus 3 upon 6. Here 3, oh sorry, 3 into 2, 6 we have taken outside, so it will be 2 only. This is wrong. No need to multiply by 3. Okay, you can directly add this. So n square plus n plus 2n plus 2. So this is n square plus 3n plus 2. 6 to the 12. This you have to find the factors. So 2 and 3. Factors are 2 ones are 2. So n plus 2 and n plus 1. Okay, so this is the last. Question 8. Here the last term is given, that is an. This is your an. Okay, so multiply this. Okay, so summation n cube n square n. N cube is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2. 2 2s are. So here you can take 2 common if you don't cancel this. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 5 by 6 2n plus 1. 2 is outside, so 3, 4. Okay. Now you have to cross multiply. So we'll get 2 is there, 3 is there, so we'll make it 6. 2 into 6. So 3n square plus 3n plus 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 10, 24 divided by 6. Okay. So this is 3n square, 3n, 23n. This is 34. Okay, 6 you can multiply outside, so it will be 12. This is the last one. So here an is given n square plus 2 raised to n. So sum is summation n square plus summation 2 raised to n. Summation n square, we know the formula, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 2, 6, sorry. Here 2 raised to n, you have to use your GP. Okay, because this is 2, 2 square, 2 cube. So the ratio is 2 square by 2, which is 2. The ratio is 2. Okay. So the sum is given by a into 2 raised to n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is 2 into 2 raised to n minus 1. So this is what our sum looks like. Okay. Next question, an is given. Simplify this. Okay. Summation common, you can take n. Okay. So we have to divide and multiply by 3. 2n square n plus 1 3. Okay, and to the 4, 3 to the 6. 1 minus 6n minus 3. So 4n square minus 2. So 2 you can take common here. So it will be n square minus 1. This is a square minus b square. So you can write it as a minus b, a plus b. This is 2. Oh, I'm taking 2 outside. So it will be 2. Right. Minus 3 plus 1. So minus 2. Oh, here it was 2. So minus 3 plus 2, 1. Okay, so this will be 2n square minus 1 square. So you'll get 2n minus 1, 2n plus